What's up YouTube, DJK comes with a quick video. Got my iMac back. I installed MPC software on it already. Updates and everything. I'm about to install Complete 8 Ultimate. Once again, it's going to take forever to install this though, but I'm going to go ahead and install this next. We'll get Complete 8 Ultimate right there on the hard drive. So I'm going to install that, and then I should be good to go for right now. And I'll install Tractor 2.6 later on, and other software that I got that I need to reinstall on her. But I'm not going to install everything that I had on her. Like, I had a lot of games on here. I won't be putting those back on. A lot of Mac games. They're in the App Store. I can go re-download them, but I'm not going to. But the MPC is up and running. Yep, it's running, and just want to let you guys know I got my Mac back. I'm pretty excited about that. It's like having a new computer, you know. Catch you guys on the next video. Thank you guys for subscribing, commenting, rating, hating, and everything you guys do on the YouTube website. I'll see you on the next video. DJK is out.